These days, the best photo editing apps aren't just for pro photographers, and they aren't exclusively released for computers either. Given the internal computing power of the best camera phones, your smartphone can now easily handle photo editing as well as photo taking. So whether you're a casual photographer, an influencer with a legion of followers, or a pro photographer, you can edit photos on your smartphone and make them look professional. In this video, we will be exploring the most effective photo editing apps for Android and iOS. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Afterlight. Afterlight is designed for those who want to spend time editing individual photos. The tools for color, exposure, composition, and structure are rather comprehensive, including layers, curves, and selective hue. The stickers are simple but varied, and the text includes numerous fonts. Both can be edited for color, opacity, placement, size, and rotation. In addition to multiple levels of undo and redo, you can use the history screen to roll back your image to a specific stage. You can use the layers screen to select, edit, or delete a particular edit. Some of the features of Afterlight are: 1. Its Fusion library is a curated list of Fusion filters free to download. 2. They have film presets that are created through real film emulation. 3. Afterlight also has a variety of auto-randomized light leaks, dusty textures, grain, and color grading. Number 2. VSCO, Photo and Video Editor. VSCO has a good variety of photo corrections and adjustments that produce nice quality results, including film emulsion type filters. It can even import RAW files. It also offers a nice array of pre-capture controls available only on iOS and not Android, which includes selective focus points and manual control over white balance, ISO, and exposure. The interface is modern and clear, but editing in it seems to take a backseat to the sharing social aspect. It also supports RAW camera files and offers advanced tools such as split tone and HSL editing. Some of the features of VSCO are: 1. VSCO allows users to share their pictures with other members on the platform. 2. It allows members to use the in-app camera to take pictures, and images can be uploaded to the app directly from the phone's camera roll. 3. It is also a video editing app, which has a lot of features on its own. Number 3. Photoshop Camera. Adobe Photoshop Camera is one of the best photo editing apps due to its AI, which applies special effects and photo corrections before or after you shoot with your phone's camera. Photoshop Camera uses filters, called lenses, to apply special effects or make adjustments to color, lighting, and clarity. This app has tools for collages, blemish removal, text overlays, masks, and compositing as photo correction and enhancement. Photoshop Camera also supports RAW camera files and gives users plentiful filters to use in their editing. Some of the features of Photoshop Camera are: 1. You can repair flaws, such as dust on the lens or red eyes. 2. It has the feature to draw on images with a pen or pencil. 3. You can remove people or objects within an image. Number 4. Pixlr. Pixlr is one of the best photo editing apps for the casual photographer who wants to do just a bit of fine-tuning, perhaps add some neat effects, and then share on whatever social networks are on their phone. The intuitive interface is easy to master, so you can get right into the fun of playing with your pictures. Pixlr has a nice variety of easy-to-use photo adjustment tools without overwhelming you with choices. The libraries of special effect filters, overlays, and borders are fun and generally attractive. The cartoonish stickers are varied and fun. quickly create collages using preset layouts or design templates that allow you to shuffle your photos, as well as zoom and move them within the placeholders. Some of the features of Pixlr are: 1. Users can access the image editing suite regardless of device type and operating system, be it PC, laptop, phone or tablet. 2. It includes many tools for quick fixes for editors on the go or who need minor edits. 3. It is free to use. Number 5. Lens distortions. Lens distortions is a layer-based photo editor for creating cinematic images. The app and its features focus on After Effects. You can recreate iconic visual techniques with striking effects, including lens flare and fog. The creators of lens distortions took much of their inspiration from advertising and film. The app offers color layers, an erase and mask tool, and an automatic portrait mode layer. You can manipulate the layers by adjusting intensity and light balance. The library of layers is impressive and continues to grow. Some of the features of lens distortions are: 1. The app also has the ability to mimic bokeh effects or lens flares as well as lens scratches or blurs. 2. It has a user-friendly interface. 3. The Lens Distortions app is free to use, allowing you a limited number of layers and tools. Number 6. Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Adobe Lightroom is a powerful and impressive photo editing app. The app is part of the software suite beneath Adobe's Creative Cloud. The range of features makes Lightroom one of the best photo editing apps. You can apply detailed effects with simple sliders and select from broad color adjustments. You can even adjust perspective and add more subtle effects. Lightroom syncs with your photo library, removing waiting for frustrating shot imports. This makes editing on the go easy. Some of the features of Adobe Lightroom Mobile are: 1. You get to use the healing brush to remove just about anything from your photo, no matter how big or small. 2. It allows you to edit any part of a photo with your finger or stylus to apply enhancements with precision using selective edits. 3. You can easily apply the same adjustments to multiple images with batch editing. Number 7. Snapseed. Snapseed is a free, professional photo editor app owned by Google. It offers an outstanding balance between simplicity and in-depth editing. You'll find a great selection of over 29 essential tools and filters within the app. You'll also find healing, brush, structure, HDR, and perspective correction options. One of its highlights is an impressive portrait tool. Snapseed can be not only fun but also addictive because of its range of exposure, color, masking, and reshaping tools, brushes, and filters as you get to experiment with different settings. Some of the features of Snapseed are: 1. It offers advanced color curves for editing. 2. It also has advanced white balance controls for tint and temperature. 3. You can fix exposure, contrast, saturation, highlights, shadows, ambience, and more. Number 8. PicsArt. A photo editing app list is never complete without the PicsArt app. It's fun and easy to use, yet covers just about all the bases for consumer mobile photography. It provides lots of creative control, excellent image editing tools, and a large variety of attractive filters. In addition, you can quickly select or create fun stickers, combine your pictures into highly customizable collages, add artistic text, and share. The full-featured camera module includes pre-capture effects and photo tools. You can use Remix Chat to share and collaboratively edit photos with the 150 million monthly users of PicsArt, or only with your friends. In-app tutorials are easy to follow, and challenges prompt users to submit their creations based on a specific type of edit or a theme. Winners are selected by community vote. Some of the features of PicsArt are: 1. It has an array of trending filters that gets updates often depending on the trends in the photo editing world. 2. It also lets you create and edit videos with its easy-to-use video editor. 3. PicsArt also comes with ready-to-use templates for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.